All right, Ivan, this has got to sound a bit familiar. She, 14 years his junior, long-term marriage, got the boys, apparently going to testify for the state. How much of the allegations about her alleged mental illness can come in? Even if you've got medical records, that sort of thing, what necessarily could come in?
Well, let me tell you something. That's a good question, Catherine. You remember, you have a right to a fair trial. I think the judge will be very lenient. It's actually discretionary. In your own self-defense, in order to have a fair trial, you are able to put forth expert testimony. There will be experts. We all know that in this case. In fact, this case really will be expert reliant. There will be plenty of experts talking about her mental state, about his mental state. I think the judge will let it all in and let the jury hash it out and decide what happened.
Okay, well, that'll be interesting, but also, Ivan, and very similar in the Susan Polk case, there's going to be a lot of reliance on medical examiner, on expert testimony about what are defensive wounds, who may have slashed first, how did these wounds play out, because, of course, in Susan's case, those deep wounds in his back, in Felix's back, bothered the jury considerably. That's going to be the same sort of situation here, won't it?
But let me say something, Catherine. I think, the most important issue here is not so much the stab wounds, the expert testimony by the coroner, that's one thing. This is a domestic violence case. And a domestic violence case is 90% of the time the man is the perpetrator against the woman. It is very difficult for a jury to sympathize with a man when a woman is killed and stabbed to death. That's going to be the biggest hurdle for the defense. The stab wounds, the mental illness, the domestic, previous domestic disputes, the dying declaration, the fact that he said, oh my God, I did it. The fact of the matter is this is a domestic violence case. Juries do not like men who abuse women. That's going to be the real problem here for the defense.
All right, and real quickly, it's my